What if I told you there are AI video generators right now that are completely free? No credit system, no daily limits, and you don't even need to add a card. Sounds unrealistic, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you two platforms that are currently allowing exactly that. And one of them even lets you extend your videos beyond the default length. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share a few bonus tools that most people are not talking about yet. Now here's the interesting part. Neither of these platforms shows any visible credit system, and they haven't mentioned any strict limits on their websites. That means, as of now, you can use them quite freely. And if you're into AI tools like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I keep sharing the latest working methods before they get saturated. And let's start with the first platform. The first platform is Quen AI. It's a Chinese AI tool that a lot of people still don't know about. When you open it, you'll see an option called Try Quen Chat. You might also see a download option, but you don't need that. Just click on Try Quen Chat to continue. Once the interface opens, you can either sign up or log in. The easiest way is to just click Log in with Google and use your Gmail. After logging in, you'll land on a dashboard where you can generate both images and videos. And if you look carefully, there's no credit counter anywhere. Click on the plus icon and you'll see options like Create Image and Create Video. Let's go with video. From here, you can upload an image to turn it into a video. And if you don't have an image, you can also generate videos directly from text. You can adjust things like aspect ratio and describe exactly what you want. So whether it's text to video or image to video, everything works here. And it's free. At least for now, there's no visible limit, so you can generate as much as you want. And if you ever do hit a restriction, you can simply switch accounts or use temporary emails. After a short wait, your video will be ready. Even with simple prompts, the quality is surprisingly good. What's even more interesting is that it can generate audio too. You can make characters speak just by adding a line in your prompt like, make him say, and it will handle the rest. The only limitation here is that videos are around 5 seconds long, but don't worry. The second platform solves that problem, so keep watching. Now, let's move to the second platform, Hugging Face. To access Hugging Face, go to Google and search for Hugging Face. Click on the first link and you'll be able to access it. Click on Spaces and then select Video Creation. Here you will be able to see different models to use and create videos. There are even lip sync options here ready to use. These models are all free to use, but if you go to their main website, they might be paid. But Hugging Face offers them for free here. When choosing a model to use, make sure you go for the ones that are labeled fast. They'll generate your video faster. You should make sure to sign up on Hugging Face before you start using the models. Just like the first platform, there's no visible credit system here either, and no clear limits mentioned, so you can generate multiple videos without worrying too much. And if needed, you can always use multiple accounts, but even one account should be enough for most users. Now quickly, let me give you some worthy mentions in case you want more options. You can check out Vivideo AI, which is known for unlimited generation and no watermark. There's also Pika Labs, which gives you better motion control and more cinematic outputs, although it may have some limitations depending on usage. And another one is Seedance 2.0, which is gaining attention for its quality and improving performance. These are not completely unlimited like the main tools I showed, but they are still worth trying. With better prompts and a bit of experimentation, you can create really impressive results using these tools. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it. It really helps push the video to more people. And let me know in the comments which tool you're going to try first. So yeah, that's it for today. Multiple AI video generators, completely free options, no cards, no credits, at least for now. Try them out while they're still working, and I'll see you in the next video.